What's up, guys? So I was up in Erie last week, and we're getting ready for a guided tour up on the Niagara, and we stopped off in Erie at the Tribs. Decided to do a little bit of fishing. Well, while I was up there, I was getting my gear ready to go, and I had an old, eagle rod with a dimension reel on it, and the reel's kind of getting beat up. It's probably about 10 years old, and it definitely needed replaced. And I've been looking into it, but I just didn't pull the trigger yet. So we stopped at FishUSA, and I was looking around at the reels, and well, I pulled the trigger. I got myself a Shimano Ultegra C5000XG FC model reel. Now this thing is amazingly smooth. It has a gear ratio of 6.2 to 1. That's about 40 inches per turn. The line capacity is about 65 yards at 14-pound test. I actually have 15-pound test on this. Some P-line fluoro that I had gotten that I picked up there. It will take braid. So we're looking at 20, 30, 40-pound braid test. It has 5 to 1 or 5+1 bearings in it, which that's what makes it do this really smooth. Now, compared to some of the other reels that I have that have like 10 and 12 bearings, this one doesn't match up to that. But the way I'm looking at the way their technology is, I don't think that we need all those extra bearings. It also has a 24-pound max drag on it, which makes this really nice, and it comes in at about 10.1 ounces, which makes it very light. It's almost too light for my rod, but I'll manage. Trust me, with this reel I'll manage. It does have some really cool technologies with it. Does have the silent drive, all right, which you can't even hear it, not at all, none. X-Protect, which is the coating they put on the reel, protects it from salt water, so this is saltwater ready. It has this bail right here. Look at this. It's all one piece the whole entire way around. Super nice bail. Has a nice click to it. This spool here, they call this an ARC spool. I'm not sure what that means, but that probably has something to do with the the lines, the technology that's in the reel. Long stroke, of course, holds a ton of freaking line. The body is C14 plus. I'm assuming that's going to be Shimano's proprietary composite material that they use, and hopefully it'll last. It has a one-piece bail. It does not have reverse on it. I mean, I never use that, so I mean, really, what do you need it for? I never reverse my reels. I don't see the point in it. But anyway, X-Ship technology, not sure what that's all about, but free body, as you can see, it's all one solid piece everywhere. It's really nice. Everything is like contoured to the gearing inside, so nothing makes any noise. It's just an amazing reel. I'm loving this thing. I have not had it out yet, so I'm not sure how it's gonna act, but let me pull this off here. Look, check this out. It has a seal on the top. There's your spool taken off. Just look at that spool. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There's your spool. This nice little lip protect everything. It's all nice and sealed up real well. This thing looks just amazing. Anyway, so I ended up going to Shimano's website for parts and buying another spool because I want one that has, of course, mono line so that I can use it for one thing, and I'm going to put some braid line on for other uses. So this thing I think I can use for a dual purpose. Now, would I buy this reel again? Absolutely. This thing is amazing. I think that you should buy it. Look at this handle. It's a nice grip handle right there. I love it. Absolutely love it. Has this real nice dark blue color to it. Matches my eagle rod that I'm putting it on. Little gold accent all over it. And there you go. That is Shimano's Ultegra reel in a 5000 size. Pick it up, guys. It's a great reel. Thanks for watching. Show me some love by hitting that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notifications.